Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to flip through two new books. These are from Rita Berman. She actually sent these to me. They release on Amazon on June 10th. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pre-order it. They're pretty good about getting them to you on the day that they release. So this is the Hidden series in English. Most of her books that you've had access to before are not. But in the Hidden series is Oceans, Earth, and Seasons. And I was sent the Oceans and Earth books. She even sent a little card, which was nice of her. So let's take a look. They're actually really pretty and bright. I just like it's got her style written all over it. On the back it even tells you, let's see, we got 2-page spreads. Mesmerizing coloring experience, high quality paper. We'll determine that on our own, won't we? And then over 50 scenes to color. I'm assuming this one's probably over 50 as well. Yep. So let's take a look-see. Alright, so Hidden Oceans. If she sends you them, you get a stamp. Sometimes you can get a stamp on one. She doesn't send you two though, but let's have a look. The paper's actually nice. Now, these are reprints. So the original one here is the German edition. And wow, 2017, that's when they did that. I didn't realize they were that old. So you may already own these two books, so you don't necessarily need to rebuy them. But it's just everything is in English, even right to here. The paper's honestly pretty close to the same as it is in the original books, and it's a sewn-in spine. So yeah, these are reprints in English. So like if you already have the German edition, it may not be worth it to you, but if you're kind of into collecting adult coloring books, then you might be interested. Really pretty though. Sorry if I'm a little congested. Ooh, I like that page. It's been a while since I flipped through these ones, her older books. I've been so consumed with her travel ones that I've kind of forgotten about these older ones. And the artwork's actually really pretty. Wonder how I forgot about those. It's like my page is stuck there. Okay. I had actually had these on pre-order, and then they reached out to me and asked if I wanted copies, so I was like, oh yes, please. So yeah, like these are all the same illustrations as the German edition. The paper is still good though. Definitely the same quality. And then everything translated into English, like even the test page. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and then Hidden Earth. Granted, you may never have seen these if you don't own the German editions. Like I said, these ones are older, and more people who are new to coloring have kind of dove into her travel ones. I am not sure when the Seasons one comes out. I'll have to double check on that. But Earth and Oceans are definitely both June 10th. Originally they were staggered. I colored that page once. But they both are now June 10th. And like I said, if you pre-order them on Amazon, they're pretty good about getting them to you the day of. And don't worry about overpaying. Like if they lower the price, Amazon's really good about refunding the difference. I've had refunds, so I can attest that they do in fact do that. And I really need to color in one of these. Maybe that's what I'll do for this weekend. I wanted to color mermaids, but I just can't get into mermaids. These are really cute. Her artwork is always so fun. Very unique style, which is a good thing. Nothing worse than when people have them exact. And that is it. So yeah, those are the two new ones that you can pre-order now. They're super pretty. I highly recommend it if you're just a collector, but if you already have the German edition, you're not missing out, so don't go and buy it unless you're like me and you're like, I have to have it. But thank you for a quick little flip through and preview. Let me know if you did end up ordering them just because you wanted the US edition, or if you're just going to stick to the old one. The paper's still good. And until next time, take care. Bye now.